If you speak English, but still feel like you sound textbook. If people understand you, but you don't sound relaxed or natural. This lesson will change that. Today, you're learning 30 everyday English words and phrases native speakers use constantly. Not big grammar, not difficult vocabulary, just real daily English. Stay until the end because I'll show you how to combine them naturally in conversation so you actually remember them. Let's begin. 1. Got it. Instead of saying, I understand, say, got it. Example, send me the email tonight. Got it. Quick, clear, natural. Say it out loud. Got it. 2. No worries instead of, it is fine. Say, no worries. Example, sorry I forgot to call. No worries. Friendly and relaxed. 3. I'm in instead of, I would like to join. Say, I'm in. We're going to the beach tomorrow. I'm in. Shows excitement. 4. I'm down. Very similar to I'm in. Let's order pizza. I'm down. Casual, friendly. 5. That works instead of, that is acceptable. Say, that works. Can we meet at 4 p.m.? That works. Used in daily life and business. 6. Sounds good? Instead of, that sounds fine, say, sounds good. For example, I'll call you later. Sounds good? Smooth and natural. Let's do a mini practice. Instead of, that is acceptable, you say, that works. Instead of, I understand, say, got it. Rather than, that sounds fine, we say, sounds good. 7. My bad. Instead of, it was my mistake, say, my bad. I forgot your book. My bad. Informal only. 8. No big deal. Instead of, it is not important, say, no big deal. Sorry I spilled some water. No big deal. 9. Hang on. Instead of, please wait, say, hang on. Hang on, I'm checking. 10. Give me a sec. Instead of, give me a moment, say, give me a sec. Give me a sec, I'll reply. Pause. Already, your English sounds more natural. Let's continue. 11. I guess. Used when unsure. I guess we can try. Shows small doubt. 12. Fair enough. Used when you accept someone's opinion. I don't like coffee. Fair enough. Respectful response. 13. That's it. Used to finish something. That's it for today. 14. Pretty good. Instead of, very good, say, pretty good. How was the movie? Pretty good. More natural. 15. Kind of. Used to soften a sentence. I'm kind of tired. These phrases make your English sound human, not robotic. Let's continue. 16. A bit, similar to a little. I'm a bit busy. 17. Used to clarify. It was hard, really hard. 18. Used in casual speech. It was strange, Don't overuse it. 19. Actually, used to correct something. Actually, I changed my mind. 20. For real? Used to show surprise. You won the prize? For real? Very expressive. We're not done. Now we move to the final 10. 21. I'm good. Used to politely refuse. Do you want more food? I'm good. 22. It depends. Used when answer is not simple. Are you coming tomorrow? It depends. 23. I'll pass. Used to politely refuse. Want to try this? I'll pass. 24. No way. Used for strong surprise. You finished already? No way. 25. That's crazy. Used when something is surprising. They bought a house at 21. That's crazy. Notice how short these are. Short replies equals faster conversations. Let's continue. 26. I hear you. Used to show emotional understanding. I'm stressed. I hear you. Very human. Very warm. 27. Makes sense. Instead of, that is logical, say, makes sense. We should leave early. Makes sense. 28. I'm not sure. Used when uncertain. Is the meeting at 2? I'm not sure. 29. Let's see. Used when result is unknown. Will it work? Let's see. 30. Deal. Used to confirm agreement. I'll cook if you clean. Deal. Short, final, confident. Now let's combine many of them into real conversations. Conversation 1. Want to grab lunch? I'm in. Let's meet at 1. That works. I'll text you. Sounds good? Conversation 2. Sorry, I forgot. My bad. No worries. No big deal. Conversation 3. I'm kinda tired. Same. I'm a bit exhausted. I guess we should rest. Fair enough. Conversation 4. Want dessert? I'm good. Are you sure? Actually, maybe just a bit. That's crazy. I know. Conversation 5. Let's leave early. Makes sense. So, deal? Deal. That is real English. Important advice. Do not try to memorize all 30 today. Choose 3. Use them today. Next week, add 3 more. Fluency grows through use, not memorization. Mini challenge. Replace these formal sentences. I understand completely. Got it. I accept your proposal. Answer, deal. That is logical. Answer, makes sense. I do not require more. Answer, I'm good. You see the difference? Textbook English helps you pass exams. Natural English helps you connect with people. If you want to sound fluent, relaxed, and confident, start using these 30 phrases in small daily conversations. Practice aloud. Use them in messages. Use them with friends. Small upgrades create big results. And now, you have 30 powerful natural English phrases. Your English is improving. Keep practicing.